Hello everyone, my name is Rachel Waugh. I'm an applied human nutrition student at Mount St. Vincent University and part of the Breakfast and Beyond program funded by Medivy. Today, I will be making zucchini carrot muffins, a fresh new twist on a carrot muffin. These muffins are great for busy mornings. Please note that this recipe is not egg, dairy, or gluten-free. This recipe makes 12 servings, takes 30 minutes to prepare, and 15 to 20 minutes to bake. The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are all-purpose white flour, finely grated zucchini, finely grated carrots, an egg, honey, raisins, vanilla extract, fat-free yogurt, canola oil, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and salt. You will also need cooking spray or butter to grease your muffin tray. To make this recipe, the equipment that you will need is 2 medium mixing bowls, 1 grater, 1 whisk or fork. You'll need 2 forks if you do not have a whisk at home, 3 spoons, 1 butter knife, 1 fork, 1 spatula, 1 vegetable peeler, 1 set of measuring cups, 1 set of measuring spoons, 1 cooling rack or plate, 1 12-cup muffin tray, an oven, and oven mitts. It's best to have all of your ingredients ready before you start baking, like I have here. So for example, I've already pre-measured all of the ingredients. The egg has been cracked and beaten, the carrots have been peeled and finely grated, and the zucchini has been grated using the smaller shredding holes of a cheese grater. To start, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Next, let's prepare the 12-cup muffin tray. Use cooking spray to lightly grease the surface of each muffin cup in the muffin tray. If you're using butter to grease your muffin tray, use a small amount of butter on parchment paper. If you prefer, you can use muffin liners instead of cooking spray or butter to prevent your muffins from sticking to the muffin tray. Once your muffin tray is greased, set it aside. Now we're going to combine the dry ingredient. To 1 medium mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose white flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Use a spoon to combine the dry ingredients. To make this recipe gluten-free, use an all-purpose gluten-free flour instead of all-purpose white flour. The next step is to combine the wet ingredients. To a different medium mixing bowl, add half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of fat-free yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Stir well with a spoon until the ingredients are combined. Next, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until the ingredients are just combined. Then add 1 cup of finely grated zucchini, which is about 1 medium zucchini, to the bowl, and half a cup of finely grated carrots, which is about half a medium carrot. Then fold the zucchini and carrots into the batter. Folding is a way of gently mixing ingredients together. To fold the ingredients, pass the spatula through the middle of the ingredients, across the bottom of the bowl, and across the top of the ingredients. Repeat this motion until the carrots and zucchini are evenly distributed in the batter. Carrots are a source of vitamin A. Vitamin A helps keep your eyes healthy. Then, add a 1/4 cup of raisins to the bowl. Fold the raisins into the batter using the same technique. Using a spoon, fill each muffin cup about halfway full with batter. Put the muffin tray in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. To check if the muffins are ready, take the muffins out of the oven and insert a clean toothpick into the center of one of the muffins. If the toothpick comes out clean, your muffins are done. It is okay if there are crumbs on the toothpick. If there is wet batter on the toothpick, put the muffins back in the oven for another 5 minutes before trying the toothpick test again. Once the muffins are done and out of the oven, let them cool on the top of the stove for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, take the muffins out of the muffin tray by running a butter knife between the side of the muffin and the wall of the muffin tray. Then, use a clean fork to lift each muffin out of the muffin tray cup. Put the muffins on a cooling rack or plate to finish cooling. Once cooled, you can enjoy the muffins right away or store them for later. You can store the muffins in an airtight container for 1 day at room temperature, then refrigerate for up to 1 week. You can freeze the muffins in the freezer for up to 1 month. To thaw frozen muffins, bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Before reheating frozen muffins, wrap each muffin in foil and place on a baking tray. These smell absolutely delicious. We hope that you enjoy zucchini carrot muffins as much as we do. Happy baking!